Huwa alladhi anzala alayka al-kitab. It is He who has revealed over you the book. So Allah is telling us, it is He who has revealed over you, the messenger, the book, the written one. This book. So the book was revealed on him. The written one was revealed on him. Minhu ayatum muhkamat. From the book are ayas, the verses, the signs, muhkamat, governing ayas. Hunna ummul kitab. They are the mother of the book. Wa ukharu mutashabihat. And the others are resembling ayas. There are two types of ayas. Two type of ayats, the verses. One aspect of the ayat is they are the muhkamat ayat, meaning the governing ayats. The ayats that governs, they are the muhkamat ayat. And the other are resembling ayats. They are the two types of ayat. In this book, for example, if you look into this, there are two types of ayats. The muhkamat ayat, the governing ayats, and the other ayat, the mutashabiyat or resembling ayats.